If you need to update your phone number on Calendly, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This will help you stay connected with your appointments and notifications. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen to access the account settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to phone settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled phone or contact information. Click on it to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. In the phone settings section, delete your old phone number and enter the new one. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your changes are applied. By following these steps, your phone number on Calendly will be successfully updated. Make sure to check your account periodically to keep your information current.